Hi guys, welcome back to Levion. So, in my experience teaching Vietnamese, I've noticed some common mistakes that Vietnamese learners tend to make, which makes it pretty tough for us native speakers to understand what you're trying to say. So, in this video, I'll point out a few so that you can improve your pronunciation and hopefully don't make these mistakes again. So, let's talk about a few of them. The first one is the O sound in Vietnamese. A lot of learners tend to pronounce it like the O in English, but that's not quite it. Oh, Taylor Swift kìa. Oh, 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 oh. When you pronounce O, make sure to let the air out quickly, O, and avoid turning it into an O. Okay, so you have to keep your mouth in the same shape. Notice how my mouth shape. O, and that's how you pronounce it. Next up, we have these two sounds in Vietnamese, these two vowels. So basically, they're kind of the same. They're just the letter E in English, but one of them has a little hat above, and they are pronounced differently. For the one without the hat, you have to say it like eh. Your mouth goes wide. And for the one with a little hat above, you have to put your chin in front of you a little bit. So you will go like Notice the difference? So and then yeah. Alright, next up is the T consonant in Vietnamese. This one you guys tend to pronounce it wrong a lot because in English there's the T as well, and you guys tend to pronounce it like the T in English, like take, torn, tear, blah blah blah. But it's not like that. And also in Vietnamese there's this TH consonant that is kind of more like the T in English. So anyways, I'll tell the difference between these two for you guys. So let's take two words for example. The words tôi and thôi. So the first word, you will pronounce it tôi. And the second one, thôi. Alright, so you can see the difference? If you don't, I have a little trick for you. So you can take a piece of paper and then you put it in front of your face. And when you say the word tôi, notice how the paper didn't move, right? But when I say thôi, look, thôi, I create an air explosion out of my mouth. That's why the paper moves. So this is a little exercise that you can do to practice saying the T and TH consonant in Vietnamese. Another mistake that I've noticed is when you guys try to pronounce these two consonants, the C and the K in Vietnamese. So basically these two letters have the same sound when they act as consonant. Wait, if they sound the same, then how can I know how to spell the word? Well, Vietnamese use K before E, A, like in kem, kính, kênh, and use C for other vowels. Anyway, so learners tend to pronounce these two consonants the same as in English, like the C and the K, but of course that's not correct as well. So maybe we should do a little challenge. I have this word right here. Guess how it's pronounced. Con vịt, con chó, con nai. That's wrong, okay? That's how the plosive sound are pronounced, like can't, put, take. You put the t, k, p in the sound. But this C and K in Vietnamese are implosive sounds. That means no air explosion coming out of your mouth. So it's just gone, or cơm, cá, it's just g, okay? Last but not least, the pronunciation mistake that you guys make a lot is nothing else but the 6 tones of Vietnamese. This takes a lot of practice and cannot be explained in one video, so if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments so I can make another video about that. By the way, we have a special pronunciation class that will help you nail Vietnamese pronunciation in just 2 weeks. So if that sounds like something you're into, check the link in the description box. I leave it right there for you. And those are a few pronunciation mistakes that Vietnamese learners tend to make. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, and also visit our social media for more Vietnamese cool stuff. Alright? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!